Hi everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make delicious strawberry white chocolate truffle or strawberry filled white chocolates. These truffles are easy to make and are a perfect treat for any occasion. Let's get started. We will take white chocolate and melt it. You can melt it either using the double boiler process or in the microwave. Make sure it doesn't burn. By the time our chocolate is melting, let's make a strawberry crush. Chop the strawberries and cook them in a pan over medium heat. Add sugar and cover it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it will become mushy. Now, just turn off the heat and let it cool. While it's cooling, we will check our chocolate. It has melted nicely and there are no lumps. Now, we will take our heart-shaped mold and fill it with the chocolate. Do not fill it too much as we have to add the filling too. Tap the mold to put the chocolate evenly on all the sides. Allow it to set for 5 minutes. Then fill the crush in the piping bag and fill it into the chocolate. Do not fill it too much. Cover it with white chocolate and let it set. Just demold it now. You can see how tempting this chocolate look. Do give it a try and share your experience with me. Bye.